Jay's Overnight Oats.
Hi foodies, I wanted to show you how we've been making Jay's whole rolled oats, overnight oats. Here in Panama, we don't have proper containers in this place that we're staying at, so we're making it in a pitcher, and it might actually be the way we make it at home, because he's been able to scoop it and make it super easy, and it makes a large quantity. So we've been using 16 ounces of whole rolled oats, and we use 32 ounces of soy milk. We put about 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple pie spice. You can use cinnamon if you don't have that. Then we do about 1/4 cup of chia seeds, and we do 1/3 cup of flax meal, and we do about 1/3 cup of hemp hearts. We mix it all together with the soy milk, and you don't want it too watery, so don't put all 32 ounces at once. Put it in and then stir it up really well. Let it be kind of like a pancake batter, because it's going to grow overnight and it's going to bloom. The oats are going to suck up the milk. So you want it to be a little thicker. You don't want it to be too watery, because if it's too watery, it's hard to get thicker. But if it ends up a little thicker than what you want, you just scoop it out for your morning breakfast. You heat it up, and you might incorporate a little bit of water or a little bit of soy milk to thin it out. So that's what we do. So I just want to let you guys know, I deviated from my soy yogurt today, and I had his oatmeal because it was so delicious. So I wanted to show you how we've been making his oatmeal while here in Panama. It is not a vacation when you go on vacation from your health. Just remember that your health comes with you, so stick with it, and always give you the right things and the nutrition to make you feel your best, even when you're on vacation. Bye guys, have a happy day.
Overnight oats. There's our overnight oats in a pitcher, because we didn't have a good receptacle for it, but now it might be our thing. We put chia seeds and flax meal and hemp hearts, and we also do apple pie spice and soy milk, and then we have whole rolled oats.